Hello, hello. This is testing number one. Um, guys, hopefully you guys can hear me. Um, Today we're gonna be playing the newly released 3 days ago, whatever, Mini Royale. You guys remember? I've played Mini Royale playtest on my channel. Um, over here, as you can see. Oh, never mind. It's the first one. Mini Royale fun game 11 months ago. I think there was another one like right below it, and then why I wasn't playing. But we have the real Mini Royale. This new Mini Royale. Well, today we're gonna be playing it. While we're gonna be playing it, just trying it. Just gonna try it. Because I don't know, bro. I don't know. Posting like 10 minutes. Okay, so here I am, little me. I'm an elite cadet. Just started. Play so low. First person, an autofill. Okay, and then we'll go and practice. Do you want to go to the practice range matching? Okay, we're gonna go to the matchmaking range, or whatever I said, and let's test out my skills. Dog water. Dog crap. Yeah, I stink at Fortnite. So just Q and E to lean. How do I crouch? How do I?
Great job, soldier.
Great job, soldier. Use X to equip my melee and V to equip me. Oh, okay, and obviously what I do. How the frick do I crank
Start
out?
the time-based range by using the machine on the left.
Oh, never mind. No machine on the left for me. Time-based machine by using the machine on the left. Now, I feel like the the map has probably been improved. Probably. Hopefully. Oh, okay. What is it? Yep, this is just like last time. Weak grapple and oh, flip. What the? Too many people. Too many people. Nice. Here and then that's on the toast. Bum, 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 bum. Toast. Show yourself. Oh. 68. Those guys. 68 again. Oh, he's already gone. Oh, somebody else. Where? Oh. Shit, I feel like I'm hitting him. Frick. Oh, crap, again. Oh. Crap, guys. Well, I don't think I'm gonna be surviving too long. Because my aim is a little bit... Okay, well, whatever. We died. We're gonna be teleporting in any minute now. Man, I hope this draft works. Because, like, using this one freaking... Solo! Alpha, beta tester. Don't care. Because I am, too. I'm a playlist tester. First one. I'm doing good. How do I chat? Is it Eve? Not base to Trump. Bro, are we going out the window? Where are we going? Bro, we're going out the window. Oh, it kicks you out. Oh, air boost. Let me on the gaming keyboard. Chill. Ooh, we got an M-gun. And then we get an Italian shot. I'm Italian, guys. Can he... Oh, what is this? This is blue Italian shotgun. perfect. I need. Oh, armor. Yeah, armor, bro. And I have the dog tags still, right, bro? Dog coin tag. Oh, never mind. We gotta get a real one. Wait, I want to see. Can we go through? Oh, bro. Oh, I'm gonna get in the. Yay. Oh, you can just come around with that stick. What the? Is it glass? Wait, I have an idea. Oh, is it a trophy going? Perfection! What the frick is that? Wait, we're gonna check out the town shit. Let's flippin' freaking go, please. We're gonna grab that blue one soon. Oh, so many blue! What the frick? I'm 1 grand, 6x. Another time shotgun and ooh, let's freaking go. And this is 1 grand. 60. Oh. Let's go, dude. Dude, I'm cooked. If I don't find like a freaking med kit, dude. No, not the restricted air. Bandage? Let's freaking go. You know, I was playing with my friend earlier, and oh, never mind. I was playing with my friend earlier, like yesterday actually or something, and he didn't. We were both alpha, play testers, testers or whatever it's called. But he didn't somehow he had no idea that there was like a hole in the wall that you could go through, bro. I was very amazed, but we're in the bathroom. You stinky. It's Train! Chill, bro, wait. Wait for... Is he shooting me? Wait! He what? Ow! Bro, I survived so freaking long, dude. Cause that's gonna happen. Ah! We're going over. What the frick? How the frick do I get this in? Dude, gold? I'm lucky. What? Secondary. That is not gonna. First, F. Okay. I think I already have mad. Actually, yeah, I might take the whole lot. So I'm flipping need. Maybe let's get the flip out. No, please. Oh, bro, we freaking got 11th place. Dang it, dude. It's only been 9 minutes. Well, we got 1 kill, 2 deaths for all of my games. Damn it, 2 deaths. Well, guys, this is like my freaking 3rd game, so let's ready up, and then we're going to practice range while we're waiting. But so far, we can just go right. Okay, I guess not. Okay. These guys. What? Will you suck that much? Will you seriously suck that much? Oh my god, guys, look, I'm hitting him. I'm just kidding, this is easy. Oh my god, I eliminated him. Oh! Whatever, guys. Did we got this? Tids. Guys, honestly, we're gonna do one more game. Well, not like, no, this is the last game, I mean, but this is gonna be the last game for this. And then after this game, this is gonna be the end of the video. Come back return. Freaking Steve. It's just I have a bunch of friends to play this. But like this freaking friend does not want to be on videos. And no, his name is not Jimmy. Or Daniel. Or Johnny. I don't know. Or William. Gotcha. Oh, flip. Friend's calling me. I just tell him that I'm in the middle of... Hello? I'm recording a video. Didn't know. Hello? Hey, bro, I'm recording a video right now. I'm recording a video. Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me? No? No, Frankie? Oh, crap. No, they can only hear me talking. What's up, guys? I'll just be like a minute. No, they can't hear you, bro. Guys, he's actually saying my fan base sucks, and you all suck. You don't even know. He said that you get case rolls. Whatever the hell that means. Yo, Italian shotgun, let's go. Oh, an AK? Nice. Oh. Ooh, yeah. Oh! Oh, that was the same. Ooh. Ooh. That's... Reminding of Donkey Kong. I think there's like a squirrel looking thing. I don't know why it reminds me of Donkey Kong. No. Ah! We made it, boys! A med kit that we don't need. Is there anybody, by the way, Frank? I'm playing, Mini Royale. Wait, they know your name? They said it like twice. Guys, where's everybody? Can you guys just tell me where everybody is? Because that'd be really nice. And, maybe after this, I'm gonna make a video, like, right after this. If my sound goes in, and the successful video becomes successful. Hey, Train, I swear to God, you better let me know. Bro! If this goes successful and I can post it, I will be indeed making a second video right after this, and I will be playing. I'm not gonna tell you, actually. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna tell you. I'm playing tabs. What the? Oh, you just click it. Never mind. Oh, flip. I'm gonna get off at the police station. Yes. Now what? Beep, 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 beep. So my friend, that they know your name. Ah, but, I'm probably gonna die, like, nowish, fart. But, I gotta log in. I'll watch it in a minute. But, it's probably I'm gonna die in, like, a minute because, well, I, have one restore. Beep, beep. Ow! Just going down. Bro, chill. Oh. I only got 18th place. Are you freaking kidding me? Well, we're gonna go to the main menu, but guys, it was pretty fun recording this video. And actually, I'm not gonna record the second video because, well, I'm here with Frankie. But goodbye, guys. I might be making more videos after this. But bye.